Made in China is everywhere, even when it comes to intelligent welding robots, welding all kinds of structured steel for buildings. And get this, no need to import any 3D models, no manual programming either. The operator just clicks capture in the GBZZ system. It automatically scans the parts, builds a model, finds all the weld seams, and gets straight to welding, fully digital from start to finish. Just look at the weld quality. Compared to manual welding, the robot's performance is super stable and consistent.